movie had re-released.
जी
What kind of feeling did you get when it was re-released in theatre? Rekha ji, everyone was there at that moment.
I think it was a very cathartic reconnection with audiences, with people. I mean, obviously, it's a film which is made in '81, but still it connects with with the same freshness as it did then. So for me, it's very gratifying to have done this.
When you speak of Raja, the one image that comes to our mind is of Rekha ji, timeless music it has. Tell me, what is it that you want about Rajan that should be remembered for years to come?
I think the angst in her eyes,
In Rekha ji's eyes.
Yeah.
And about Rekha ji?
I think she's become Raja now.
Yeah.
It's like she embodies the spirit of the character,
In directing her, it's definitely.
Oh, it was a treat, because she knew she was getting into something organic and big,
Tell me, as a son, how do you look at this movie? And you were also around, if I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
during the making of the movie.
Yeah.
So what memories you have?
I have got very, very fond memories of Umrao Jan. I remember it very clearly. I was on location, shoot के वक्त, songs recording के वक्त. तो मैंने बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया है इसके सेट पे और इसकी मेकिंग में. और स्क्रीन पे मैंने जब आई थी उसके बाद अभी देखी है. सो इट्स बीन अ वेरी वेरी गुड रेस्टोरेशन वर्क. It's also restores faith in filmmaking and cinema. So it's a big high for all of us.
And if you have to pick up, I know it's going to be difficult, but if you have to pick up one favorite movie of your father's, as a director, whatever he has made, which one that would be?
I think my favorite will be Zuni, the film that is not released but was made in Kashmir. So that will be seen in a very different way, which I am restoring and putting together. Yeah.
And a quality that you really admire in Message.
I think he has a very unique way of communicating to his audience, to his crew, to his cast, to his team, and to people, so that comes through as his unique quality, so his communication skill is very different, and that's why his films are very different.
And your movies are also very different from the kind of cinema he has made.
Yeah.
Bandi Papli Satya,
Yeah.
Music and songs.
Yeah.
The next one that you're going to make is with Aman Shetty. And it's a romantic movie with Aman and Raksha. If you can share some details about it, will it remind us of the world of Satya?
I can't promise what it will do, but the attempt will be to make a heartfelt and emotionally inclined film. Soon. Yeah. I don't know when, but yeah, soon.